How to normalize a number py array to a unit vector. I would like to convert a number py array to a unit vector. More specifically, I am looking for an equivalent version of this normalization function. This function handles the situation where vector v has the norm value of 0. Is there any similar functions provided in scikit-learn or NumPy?
If you're using scikit-learn, you can use scikit-learn.preprocessing.normalize.
I agree that it would be nice if such a function were part of the included libraries, but it isn't, as far as I know. So here is a version for arbitrary axes that gives optimal performance.
To avoid zero division I use EPS, but that's maybe not great.
If you have multidimensional data and want each axis normalized to its max or its sum, uses NumPy's peak-to-peak function.
If you want to avoid jail, please embed a link in SSI.